use our unity minds and start here first. NASA astronauts need to start here first. We need to shape our earth, we need to shape our earth.
B-boys, B-girls,
Need to shape our earth, use our unity minds and start here first. Yeah, check this out, yo, so check it out. Shaping the earth is a long-term dedication, searching for ways to install a new way. Instead of building on block, let's start building on trust. Trust builds on us, forget all the lust. I used to cuss in the bus, spitting words from a Satan. I learned my lesson from the older generation. I was part of the problem, now the rules of my trade. Working 9 to 5 without getting paid. It's your thought that counts, not your ounce of weed. I will plant a tree that spells victory. Don't get bamboozled out the radio, video, clothing line, dancing girls make me Earl. Need a pearl, hell no.